Sometimes plants show subtle signs before a bigger problem develops. One possible factor behind this condition is Spiroplasma kunkelii. Some of the signs you might notice are: the first noticeable symptoms of S. kunkelii infection often include leaf wilting and yellowing along the leaf margins. This is followed by reddening of older leaves, beginning at the tips and gradually spreading across the leaf surface. About 2 to 4 days after these symptoms appear, small yellow spots may develop at the bases of newly emerging leaves. As the leaves grow, these spots can merge into elongated streaks that follow the leaf veins and may extend toward the leaf tips. During the early stages of infection, plants can become severely stunted, with twisted or deformed leaves and unusually short internodes. Numerous new shoots and branches may develop, sometimes producing as many as 6 to 7 shoots per plant and giving the plant a dense, bushy appearance. Ears are often smaller than normal and may have poorly developed kernels, which can sometimes become unusually firm. This issue may develop due to factors like disease symptoms can vary depending on the corn variety and growing altitude. The disease is caused by Spiroplasma kunkelii, a bacteria-like organism that primarily infects corn. Several leafhopper species, including Dalbolus matus, D., Illuminatus excidiosus, Gramenella nigrifrons, and Styrellus bicolor, can acquire and transmit the pathogen. These insects may survive unfavorable periods and begin feeding on corn when conditions become suitable in early spring, spreading the pathogen from plant to plant. Symptoms generally become noticeable around 3 weeks after initial infection. Disease pressure is often greatest during summer when leafhopper populations are high, although corn planted in spring can also be affected. You can start with gentle or natural methods such as: there is currently no direct biological treatment that can eliminate S. kunkelii from infected plants. However, some biological insect control products containing entomopathogenic fungi such as Metarhizium anisolia, Beauveria bassiana, Piasalamyces fumoserotius, and Verticillium lucanii may help manage severe leafhopper populations and reduce the risk of pathogen transmission. If needed, stronger treatments may include, whenever possible, use an integrated approach that combines preventive practices with appropriate biological control methods. There is no chemical treatment that directly eliminates this disease once plants are infected. Insecticides aimed at reducing leafhopper populations are generally not recommended as the primary strategy, making preventive management particularly important for reducing leafhopper pressure and limiting stunting in corn. To help reduce the chances of recurrence, plant corn early when appropriate to avoid periods of peak leafhopper activity. Remove volunteer corn and off-season host plants that may support leafhopper populations. Reflective plastic mulch may help repel adult leafhoppers in some growing systems. Avoid unnecessary pesticide applications, as they can harm beneficial insects and disrupt natural pest control. Avoid planting corn during winter when conditions favor continued pest survival. Rotate crops with non-host plants when possible to help interrupt the insect's life cycle and reduce disease pressure. In general, symptoms include wilting leaves, yellowing along the leaf margins, reddish leaf tips, severe stunting, and a dense, bushy appearance caused by short internodes and numerous shoots or ear-bearing structures. Follow for more helpful plant care insights.